The cops shot Tamir Rice arrested. Tamir Rice arrested. They filed the affidavits to try and get this guy arrested. Try and get this guy arrested for shooting the kid. She shot a kid. Shot a kid, for Christ's sake. I don't blame them. The activists, protesters, and activists, because they want this guy arrested. They want this cop arrested for shooting of Tamir Rice. They want him arrested, charged with murder, or at least manslaughter. At least manslaughter. You can't run away with this constant shooting by mistake. Constant shooting by mistake. Somewhere it's got to be an even fidelity here. African American people are just furious now. The fury of black people. Just absolutely furious. Tamir Rice is arrested. Shot Tamir Rice arrested. They want the cop who shot Tamir Rice arrested. This is something.